We all have many desires in our life. However, most of our desires remain unfulfilled. But what if I tell you that there is a manifestation technique with which you can bring any of your desires to come true? Would you believe it? But yes, it is true, this technique is called manifestation. Many people have been using this technique successfully to manifest their dreams and goals. Each of us has a certain goal in our life. Some people are searching for the right job or looking to start a business, whereas some people want to buy a new house, some want to buy a luxury car, and some just want to overcome problems in their life. But the big question is, how can we transform these desires into reality? In this video we will discuss several techniques that can help you achieve your desire through manifestation. So watch this video until the end, because this video can make your dream come true. So let us start our journey of discovery. Step number 1: clarity of desire. Know what you want. The first step in the process of manifestation is you must have clarity about what you truly want. This may sound strange, but in reality many of us don't have a clear idea of our desires. Often our wishes are vague and undefined. But for manifestation to work, your desires must be specific and clear. For example, if your dream is to own a luxury car, it is not enough to say, "I want a nice car." You need to be very clear about which brand, which model, or which color of car you want. If your desire is to become wealthy, then it is essential to know exactly how much money you want to have. The clearer and more specific your desire, the easier it will be to focus your energy toward achieving it. However, some desires may not require exact details, such as the wish to be happy or the desire to be healthy. For these kinds of desires to manifest, techniques like visualization and affirmation can be more effective, and we will discuss them later in this video. Step number 2: write down your desires. Before I explain you the second step, I want to introduce you to the powerful manifestation technique. If you enjoyed this story, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon.